Okay, we're going to do a quick rebuild on the Snap-on 1/4" drive ratchet. It's long handle. Got the rebuild kit, has the anvil, 72 tooth, the pawl, selector switch is brand new, 2 new screws. All important piece that everybody misses is the spring and ball detent to activate, to keep the pawl pressed in and help activate the selector switch. And then you don't get it, so you reuse a lot of times your cover plate. So first thing we need to do is insert the selector switch top down. There we go. Looks like that. This is the trickiest part of the whole thing, is getting the spring in to place. Okay, and my little method of doing it is to get lined up and then press the pawl. Use the pawl to press in the ball. There's a tongue twister for you. There it is. Okay, it's now in place. Put a little bit of lubricant. Nicely engaged. Put the rubber O-ring in place. And now we're ready for some screws. And make sure you put your screws in with a snap-on screwdriver, otherwise the whole thing won't work. And you know what? I think they've changed this. I think they've changed these from having a flat to a Torx. No, maybe not. No, it's right in there. Hard to see. Did have a flat still in it. It has a cut down the middle so you can use a flathead. There we go. Try it out with an extension here. Pretty smooth. I'm pretty impressed with this this little ratchet. And just to give you guys an idea of what we're dealing with, let's grab a competitive type. Here's a Signet ratchet. I mean, it could have anybody's name on it. It's got Signet on it. But this is 1/4" drive, right? And here is a physical comparison on the two. These long ones have their place, you know, thick head, a little bit beefier. If you're doing intake manifolds and exhaust and you're in tight spots and you want 1/4 inch drive, but you want something a little bit heavier duty, this is the way to go. But this snap-on head and shaft length and overall size and just the balance and how strong but slender it is in the hand is amazing. I think I'm going to get a couple more of these. I've got a flex head coming, one of these but in flex. I'll show that to you when it arrives. And I think this is going to get a lot of use. This might end up being one of the go-tos as time goes on. So there you go. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for liking and sharing this content, and I'll catch you on another one soon.